Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will geek out on AI that actually changes the game. Today we're diving deep into Claude Sonnet 4.5, Anthropic's latest monster released September 29th, 2025. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in coding and agents. Stick around, I'll break down its killer features, how it stacks against GPT-5, Gemini, and even its own family, plus pricing and real-world wins. If you're a dev or AI fan, this could supercharge your workflow. Hit like if you're excited, and let's jump in. First off, performance. Sonnet 4.5 dominates benchmarks like a boss. On SWE Bench Verified, the gold standard for real world coding, it scores 77.2%. That's miles ahead of GPT-5's weak 38% and Gemini 2.5 Pro's 67.2%. Even beats its siblings, Opus 4.1 at 74.5% and Old Sonnet 4 at 72.7%. Math, perfect 100% on AI 2025, crushing Gemini's 86.7%. And for computer tasks like browser automation, 61.4% on OS World, a massive 45% jump from Sonnet 4. This AI doesn't just think, it executes like a pro dev on steroids. Let's talk about its pricing. Same as Sonnet 4 with free tier on Claude AI for basics. Pro 17 month for more juice. You can access it at web even with free plan, API, Bedrock, Vertex AI, even GitHub Copilot, and in Warp AI terminal for free. What is it a unique edge with Claude Sonnet 4.5? That is memory tool. It saves info outside context windows like a persistent brain for ongoing work. The new memory tool enables Claude to store and retrieve information outside the context window, building knowledge bases over time, maintaining project state across sessions, preserving effectively unlimited context through file-based storage. Enhanced Reasoning Mode dives deep on tough problems and it's got native VS Code integration with checkpoints to roll back changes. No more lost progress. Competitors like GPT-5 fumble on reliability. Sonnet 4.5 finishes tasks 2.8x faster with zero errors in tests. Now, head-to-head battles versus Claude Opus 4.1. Sonnet's faster, cheaper, 5x less at $3 input, $15 output per million tokens, and better for coding agents. Anthropic says swap it in everywhere. Against GPT-5 codex, Sonnet wins on speed, code quality, and tool smarts. 100% completion rate in challenges where GPT stalls. Gemini 2.5 Pro, great for multimodal, but Sonnet edges coding 77% versus 67%, and structured thinking for refactoring. Qwen 3 Coder, cheap and specialized, but Sonnet's more consistent on wild problems and integrates everywhere. So let's try to build something. Right now, I'm on Claude's webpage using the free plan, which gives access to Claude Sonnet 4.5 with certain limits. I asked it to build a SaaS website builder. The result is a very simple layout, but don't forget this is Claude Sonnet 4.5. It's showing its power by building it really fast. Once it's done, you can see how amazing it looks, perfectly aligned, functional, and customizable. It works well. You can add headers, images, and many components. I admit it's simple, but the sky is the limit. You can expand it with complex and powerful features. For example, I asked it to add an accordion, tables, and a form, and it did. Then I hit the free usage limit, and it asked me to upgrade my plan. I didn't upgrade, but the experience so far has been great. Exporting HTML also works, so you can export whatever you build and use it anywhere. That's what I built with it, but you can do much more. As I mentioned, you can also access Claude 4.5 on Warp Terminal. I tested it there, selecting the 4.5 model and asked it to build an online Markdown and SVG viewer with some demos. It generated the project very quickly and the preview looked amazing, 100% functional. You could easily deploy it as a tool's website, and once it attracts many visitors, you can monetize it with ad providers like AdStera or Google Ads. Again, the sky is the limit. Sonnet 4.5 isn't hype, it's the top dog for coding and agents right now. Superior benchmarks, innovative memory, and unbeatable autonomy set it apart. If you're building AI stuff, test it. It'll blow your mind. What do you think? Ready to switch? Drop comments below, smash subscribe for more AI deep dives, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.